Hey, and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about the study charts. So from the account homepage here, there's a couple different ways that you can get to the study charts. From this main screen, you can click on the study charts option under study charts and roadmap. Or if you navigate to the additional materials tab at the top, you'll find a study charts option here as well. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and enter the study charts mode. I'm going to click on study charts here. And here we're at the study charts homepage. And so this is going to provide you a list of the two study charts that we offer here. So the first chart is a comparison of the main substitution and elimination reactions. And the second one is an infrared spectroscopy and nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy chart. So this is going to have basically all the lab values that you would want to know. Okay, so we're going to take a look at both of these in detail here. So we're going to go ahead and click on the first one here, and we'll be able to see our first comparison chart. So these study charts are great to solidify some of the really information-dense topics. So this particular topic here, SN1, SN2, E1, E2, it's a topic that's very common on college and standardized exams. So the information here is really important to know. So here we highlight some of the important things that you'll need to know about each of these different reactions. So there's a few different ways that you can use this to your advantage. You can just reveal all of these different windows here, and you can look at all of the different SN1, SN2, E1, E2 reactions here under this particular subject, so for kinetics. And then you can go ahead and hide these and test yourself on them that way. And so then additionally, you can also go through by columns as well. So if you want to see if you know all the SN1s here, do you know the kinetics, the mechanism, the solvent that's involved. You can test yourself that way as well. As you scroll down here, you can test yourself and see if you know the difference between an SN1 leaving group versus an SN2 leaving group reaction. So it's very flexible. You can kind of just go through these however is best suited for you. And you can hide and reveal any of these windows at any time. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go to the second chart here. Now you'll notice at the top here you have the option to switch between these two charts at any time. All you have to do is click on the associated hyperlink. So we're going to go ahead and go to this next chart now. Okay, so here you're going to see that you have a similar style to the previous chart where you're going to be able to reveal windows as needed. Now each of these functional groups, you can reveal them. They're going to have their own unique IR value as well as their own unique NMR value as well. So you have flexibility on how you want to study here. So I can just go ahead and cover some of these. And so for example, if I wanted to scroll down, and so for example, I can look at alcohols. Here I can go ahead and reveal the functional group and see what these alcohols would look like. I can look at the IR and the NMR values, and then again I can just kind of hide these as I'd like, and you can either test yourself to see whether or not you know the functional groups as well as the IR and NMR values, or you can look at just the functional groups to see if you know what the description would be, which particular category it is, the IR values and the NMR values. So it's really up to you how you want to study the content. Since you can hide and reveal any of these windows whenever you want, it makes it very easy for you to choose how you want to study. Alright, and so that's just an overview of how you can use our study charts. Alright, so that's just a quick overview of our study charts. In our next video, we're going to go over the reaction roadmap. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.